Hey, welcome to ASVAB practice test. Here we're gonna learn about the complex number. So here I have find out some problem, the general equation of an imaginary number. And here the find the problem, find the value of minus 4 plus 3i. So let's gonna start with the general equation. It's like, so here the a plus ib. So normally the I equals to I square equals to minus I cube equals to I, and I to the power 4 equals to 1. So this is the basic rules. So here modulus of a plus ib equals to root over a square plus b square. So let's start. Our first math is here minus 4 plus 3i. So let's gonna start with the modulus of minus 4 plus 3i. So we will use the equation like modulus of a plus b ib. So here minus 4 whole square plus 3 square. So here the 4 square minus 4 square equals to 16, and minus square is become a plus. So here 3 square equals to 9. So here 16 plus 9 equals to 25. So here root over 25 equals to 5. So the modulus of minus 4 plus 3i equals to 5. The value is 5. So let's start another math. Is a 4 minus 5i. So here we're gonna start with the modulus, and it's the modulus of 4 minus 5i equals to root over 4 square minus 5 square. Okay. So here the 4 square equals to 8 and 5 square equals to 25. So 25, it's a positive 8 and negative 25. So here the value is root over, so 25 minus 8 equals to, it's a 17. So minus 17. So let's start another math. Is here it's a 4 minus 5i plus 12 plus 11i. Okay. So now we will first plus the equation. It's a real number. We will first add the real number. 12 plus 4 equals to 12 plus 4 equals to 16, and the imaginary part we will add. It's minus 5i plus 11i plus 11i. So 11i minus 5i equals to 11i minus 5i equals to 6i. So here the equation is 16 plus 6i. So here the modulus of 16 plus 6i equals to root over 16 whole square plus 6 whole square. So here is a 16 into 16 equals to, it's a 16 into 10 equals to 160, and 6 into 16. Okay, so 6 into 16, it's a 3 into 16 is a 48 into 2. So the 48 into 2, it's become a 96. Okay, 96 plus 160 plus 96 equals to 256. Okay, so here the 256 plus 36. So 256 plus 36 equals to root over, it's a 6 plus 6 is a 2, 12, 2, and 1 is carry. 5 plus 3 equals to 8, plus carry 1 equals to 9, and 3, sorry, the 2 is come, it's a 292. So the answer is root over 292. This is the answer. So let's start another math here. Let's find the value of 2 minus I into 3 minus 2i. So we will multiplicate with the two numbers. So first come to the real 3 number, and the whole number we will multiplicate. 3 to the 6 minus 3i, it's a minus 2i, multiplicate with 2 minus i. So minus 2i into 2 equals to minus 4i. So here minus into minus equals to plus, and 2i square. Okay, so here 6 minus 3i minus 4i equals to minus 7i. Here plus 2, and I square equals to minus 1. Okay, so here the 6, it's a minus 2 minus 7i equals to 4 minus 7i. So now we will find the value. 4 minus 7i, modulus of 4 minus 7i equals to 4 square minus 7i square. It's a 16, and here minus 49 I square is here. So 16 minus 49, its I square value is minus 1. So it's become a 16 plus 49. Okay, so 16 plus 49 equals to root over 65. So root over 65 is the answer. Yeah, you're gonna divide by 5. So that's not need here. So let's go to the another math is here. This is the last. Here is a, so this is the end math for this tutorial. So thanks for watching the ASVAB tutoring. So I hope here you have learned some complex mathematics problem. So let's go start another tutorial, and goodbye for now.